dumpster rental service in Hilliard, Ohio. If you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Hilliard, Ohio, Hapybox is your go-to solution. We provide dependable dumpster rentals for all types of projects, from home cleanouts to commercial renovations. We know that every cleanup has unique challenges. That's why we offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit every job. We aim to make your rental experience easy, affordable, and effective. When you rent with us, there are no surprises. You get transparent pricing, timely delivery, and fast pickup, all designed to keep your project moving without delays. Our dumpsters are clean and sturdy, perfect for residential or business use. We ensure everything arrives on time and is removed as scheduled. We value your time and your property. As a locally focused company, we understand our customers' needs and deliver service that exceeds expectations. Whether it's spring cleaning, roofing work, or construction waste, we've got a dumpster for you. Our friendly team is always ready to help you choose the best option. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're working with professionals who care. Thousands of Hilliard residents have trusted Hapybox for their cleanup needs. Let us be your partner in getting the job done right. Contact Hapybox today at 614-414-6962 and see why we're the top choice for dumpster rentals in Hilliard, Ohio.